After washing the ginger, the process begins by crushing it, filtering the juice, and collecting it in a tumbler. It is then left overnight. Later, the water at the top is skimmed off, and the ginger starch at the bottom is collected and left to dry. She then takes some dried starch powder and mixes water with it. On the other side, she takes some rock sugar and maltose, mixes the starch water in, and cooks it until it becomes a thick paste. Next, she uses rice flour to make the base non-sticky and starts making single round-shaped balls from the paste while it is still warm. The ginger candy is now ready. It gives an extreme taste and a boost in winter.